first we're opening colors. Stay with us. Cool gray color. And the next one is warm gray color. Kids, the next one is coral red color. Coral red color. Stay with us. The next one is yellow. Yes, yellow green color. Exactly, so many colors. Wow. The next one is geranium color. Kids, now we open the color of pale blue light color. Pale blue light color. The next one is vivid green color. And now we open the color of deep olive green color. Kids, stay with us. The next one is yellow color. Yellow color. Now we open, yes, scarlet color. Scarlet color. So kids, the next one is black color. Black color. Stay with us. Forest green color. The next one is cream color. Yes, cream color. Today we write in capital letter alphabets A to Z. Yes, the next one is raw silk color. Yes, so many colors. Wow, emerald green color. Emerald green color. Kids, the next one is pale blue light color. Yes, vivid purple color. The next one is Persian blue color. Persian blue color. Mint blue color. Mint blue color. Light violet color. Kids, the next one is rose big color. Stay with us. Now we open the color of lavender color. And the next one is pastel pink color. Pastel pink color. Baby blue color. The last one is baby blue color. Stay with us. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. So many colors. Wow. Stay with us. Wow, so many colors. Nice. Kids, first we're using the color of, yes, Persian blue color. Persian blue color. And now we're writing the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. A, and the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. C. D. E for egg. Stay with us. F for fish. G for God. The next one is H. I. J. Now we're writing the alphabet of K. L for lemon. M. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. Now we're using the color of uranium. O for octopus. P for penguin. Q for queen. The next one is R. S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V. The next one is W. X. Y. And the last one is Z. Kids, first we're opening colors. Stay with us. Yes, silver color. Silver color. And the next one is white color. White color. Kids, now we open the color of sky blue. Sky blue. And the next one is, yes, yellow. Yellow color. Kids, the next one is, yes, light pink color. The next one is Persian blue color. Now we open the color of blue. Blue color, blue color. The next one is, yes, brown color. And the next one is dark green color. Dark green color. Red color. Red color. The next one is, yes, light green color. Light green color. Black color. Dark pink color. Dark pink color. Kids, the next one is, and the last one is orange color. Orange color. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. Stay with us. A, B, C, D, E, F. The next one is G. H, I, J, K, L, L. The next one is M. M, N, O, P, Q. And the last one is R. First we're using the color of, yes, red color. Red color. And now we're writing the alphabet of A. A for apple, A. And the next one is B. C for cow, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog. E for egg. F for fish, F for fish. The next one is G. Blue color. Now we're writing the alphabet of G. The next one is H. Using the color of blue. I, J, K, K for kite. L. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. Orange color. M for moon, M for mango. And the next one is N. N, O, P, Q, R. Opening colors. Yes, light green color. The next one is blue color, red color, red color, light pink color, light pink color. Yes, orange color, orange color. Kids, the next one is dark green color, black color, black color, sky blue color. Stay with us. Sky blue color, dark pink color, dark pink color, white color, white color. Kids, the next one is yellow color, yellow color, Persian blue color. Yes, brown color. And the last one is silver color, silver color. So kids, writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Kids, first we're using the color of, yes, sky blue color, sky blue color, and writing the alphabet of A. The next one is B. Now we're writing the alphabet of C, D, E for egg, and the next one is F, F, G for God, the next one is H, dark pink color, H for hand, I, J, K, the next one is L, M, N, O, the next one is P, Q for queen, R for rose, S, T, U, and the next one is V, W, X, Y, and the last one is opening colors. So many colors, wow, nice, nice colors. Stay with us. Cream color, cream color. The next one is yellow green color. Kids, now we open the color of Persian blue color, Persian blue color, lavender color. The next one is black color. And now we open the color of forest green color. Yes, baby blue color. Wow, nice colors. Vivid purple color. Wow, warm gray color. Kids, now we open the color of yellow, yellow color. Stay with us. The next one is pale pink color, pale pink color, geranium color. Kids, the next one is raw silk color. Now we open the color of emerald green. And the next one is coral red color. Stay with us. Coral red color. Wow, nice colors. Rose beige color. Yes, deep olive green color. Now we open the color of mint blue color. And the next one is scarlet color. Scarlet color. Light violet color. Pastel pink color. Now we open the color of cool gray. Pale blue light color. And the next one is, the last one is vivid green color. So many colors. Wow. Nice colors. Stay with us. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. Kids, first we're opening the color of scarlet. Scarlet color. And now we're writing the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. Scarlet color A. The next one is B, C, D. The next one is E, F F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. Forest green color. Forest green color. G for God. And the next one is H. I for ice. J. Yes, K. L. M for moon, M for mango. And the next one is O. P. Q. R. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel. See you soon. Bye bye.